Here in the video, we are going to talk about the SD Gundam G Generation Error Code 502. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to make in-game purchases, level up a unit, claim daily rewards, or perform other actions in the game. Sometimes it sends players back to the title screen or crashes the game. As per the shared information, the error appears to happen randomly but is often reported around the time of the daily reset. It may be caused by temporary glitches or server-side instability during this period. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try again. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Once updated, check for the error again. If the error still continues and you are facing the error around the daily reset, then give it some time. Some users have shared that the error starts to stabilize after a while following the reset. So wait a bit and check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.